Welcome to Kaleidoscope. We have started this series where we will be rating all top restaurants of Kolkata. Basically, we have shortlisted a few restaurants and there are only two criteria. Those criteria are
It has to have a minimum 4.5 rating on Google, and also there should be a minimum of 1000 ratings available for them.
based on these two criteria, we have shortlisted Momoyam for today. We will also be visiting other restaurants later. Kolkata is known for good food, right? And there are n number of good restaurants here in Kolkata. We'll cover them one by one. What all parameters are we considering when it comes to reviewing a restaurant?
The ambience,
Okay,
the quality of food,
right?
I mean taste wise, then whether it is value for money,
Okay,
and the service.
okay. I think we should also consider the hygiene and COVID protocol part as well, because considering current trying times, it is very very important that all people and all restaurants follow all the protocols. They maintain good hygiene. So I think it should rather be 5 parameters instead of 4. What do you say?
Sure, definitely we should do.
Okay, so we will be covering them one by one, right?
They have a very well curated menu over here. I think they have very elaborate veg starters as well. You won't, I have tasted them beforehand and you won't be disappointed. You should definitely try the crispy lotus stent. I think you should refrain from ordering sushi here. I mean, they are average. I wouldn't say they are bad, but they are average. Bowls are basically rice bowls. They have Thai red curry. They have the traditional Tibetan bowl. Amongst the bao, you should definitely go for fish bao. These are the non-veg starters. Prawn tempura, definitely worth the try over here. Prawn firecracker as well. The momos. We have tried several times chicken tea momo combo. That's excellent. They are steamed buns, very fluffy, and you can have it with dry or curried shapta. So we'll be ordering Bangkok street noodle soup chicken, cream cheese double mushroom dim sum, and one more item, pan seared fluffy momo.
Fluffy momo usually veg or non-veg?
Non-veg chicken, everything chicken. Yeah. Happy with the food being served, and let's dig into it.
But
First bite.
which dish is this?
This is the Bangkok street noodle soup.
Okay. How would you rate this food?
I would give it 8 out of 10.
I would also rate it 8. And the quantity is also pretty good.
The quantity is, I mean, it's filling for 2 people.
तो आज मेरे साथ मोमोएम के मैनेजर है, राइट? So we will do some chatting about how they are handling the entire current pandemic situation and how they are following all the protocols and everything. So let's get started. So if you can state your name please.
माय नेम इज़ मीटू मोल्ला। इस जो सिचुएशन चल रहा है अभी कोविड सिचुएशन चल रहा है, इज़ अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन। मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा जो भी गेस्ट आ रहे हैं आप आइए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बिकॉज हम प्रोटेक्शन के साथ ऑल प्रोटेक्शन लेके हम लोग फूड एंड बेवरेजेस सर्व कर रहे हैं, तो होप यू आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा।
अभी अभी टाइमिंग क्या है वैसे आने का?
आफ्टरनून से स्टार्ट हो जाता है, लास्ट 11:30 तक टाइमिंग है। हाँ, लास्ट ऑर्डर जो अभी चल रहा है 9:30 तक लास्ट ऑर्डर चल रहा है। 10:15 to 10:20 के अंदर हम शट डाउन कर रहे हैं।
मुझे ये जानना है क्योंकि लास्ट एक साल में ये इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेंटेन एंड सस्टेन ए बिजनेस लाइक दिस ऑफ दिस स्केल। तो लास्ट एक साल में आपने कैसे सर्वाइव किया?
ऑनलाइन प्रोसेसिंग में था, स्विगी जोमेटो जो भी ऑनलाइन में हम टाइप किया है वही टाइप के हिसाब से हम फूड डिलीवर किया है।
तो यहाँ पे जितने भी स्टाफ है वो सारे वैक्सीनेटेड है?
ये ऑफ कोर्स ऑल स्टाफ आर वैक्सीनेटेड।
एंड व्हाट ऑल प्रोटोकॉल्स आर बीइंग फॉलोड फॉर कोविड current? When I entered the area, the lady at the gate, she made sure that we are wearing masks and she also sanitized our hands,
of course, sir.
right? तो ये सैनिटाइजेशन वगैरह सारा, फॉर एग्जांपल अभी मैं खा के जाऊंगा तो मेरा टेबल वगैरह सैनिटाइज होगा?
आपको सर आफ्टर क्लीन के बाद जो भी टेबल पे चेयर वेस्ट टेबल कटलरी कॉकर एवरीथिंग।
लवली टॉकिंग टू यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
दिस इज़ क्रीम चीज़ एंड मशरूम डिमसम। देखने में ही बहुत डिलेक्टेबल लग रहा है एंड इट इज़ accompanied with 2 kinds of sauces. So this is chili oil sauce and the other one I'll have to try to find out. It's so good, man.
Anything that is veg, I don't like it usually. But I can't say the same for this particular dish. So how much would you rate this dish?
I would definitely give it 9.
I would also rate it 9.
It's that good. It's vegetarian, but it's yum.
So all those vegetarian people, when you come to Momayam, you should definitely try this out.
This is a giant size. This is pan-seared, fluffy chicken momo. Again an 8. It tastes similarly as tea momo. In tea momo, the shapta is served outside. This is just within the filling.
This time I cannot agree with you. I would give it 9.
This is the soup that they served the momo with.
Just look at this beauty.
Ambience, we are giving it finalized on 8.5.
Yes, for ambience it's
So
8.5.
for food, it's 9.
Definitely 9.
For service, it is 8 again. And for COVID protocols and everything else, we would give them again an
8.
8.
It's also available on Zomato Pro. So if you are a Zomato Pro member, so you would also get another 15% discount for dining. So we have always seen that it is very pocket friendly. So I don't think the bill would be more than 1200.